Tired of overcooked steak or undercooked chicken? Meet your new secret weapon in the kitchen and at the grill. Alpha Grillers, digital instant read meat thermometer, the game changer every home chef and grill master needs. Segment 1. Features and build quality. Built with precision, this thermometer gives you accurate temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. Whether you're working with beef, chicken, fish, or even candy, this ultra-fast probe saves your food from disaster every time. The backlit display ensures visibility day or night. Plus, it comes pre-calibrated and even lets you recalibrate for top-notch accuracy. And yes, it's water-resistant, so don't worry about kitchen splashes or BBQ rainstorms. And Segment 2. Real-life use. I used this on a juicy ribeye last weekend. And wow, perfect medium rare, just the way I love it. No guesswork, no cutting into the meat to check, just probe, wait 2 seconds, done. It's also a lifesaver for air fryer chicken, griddle bacon, or even your Thanksgiving turkey. Segment 3. Who should buy and gifting angle. Looking for the perfect Father's Day gift, birthday surprise for your grill-loving brother, or just want to level up your own kitchen game? This thermometer is a must-have gadget. It even comes in a premium gift box, ready to impress. Segment 4. Battery portability and ease. It runs on a simple AA battery, included. The foldable design means it fits in your drawer or clips onto the fridge with the built-in magnet. No cords, no clutter, just clean usability. So whether you're a grill master, a kitchen rookie, or somewhere in between, the Alpha Griller's meat thermometer is the reliable companion your cooking deserves. Grab yours today and taste the difference. Link in description. Happy grilling!